All right, here are two plyometric drills for you to help you build bone density. First one is focused on landing. Going to start on the balls of your feet, throw yourself down to about quarter squat, and then reset. It needs to be quick and then a solid stop. So we don't want to arrive like this. We want to arrive like that. I pull my feet off the floor before I land. You could start with keeping the feet on the floor and driving the heels down for a little bit of a ease into it. Second one is about getting off the ground. So first step is just get used to using your ankles to push the floor away. Knees and hips are soft, but fairly rigid. I'm not doing this, right? So eventually, we might want to work on getting more ankle force. And throw the arms into it, fall off this block, and work on this position, getting tension through this system here for running, for changing directions. It's a powerful position. It takes practice to be proficient with. It's much safer and organized and gives you more for your bang for your buck, shall we say, than this loosey-goosey landing or landing loudly. Okay? We want to be quiet. The sound means we're just not controlling the landing. We have more injury risk with that method. So try to be as quiet as you can, maximizing the effort as much as you can. As far as how often and how much of this to do, I would recommend doing 1 to maybe 2 days per week for the first 4 to 8 weeks, maybe longer if you're in menopause transition, because our body gets pretty cranky pretty easily. Also, tendons take a little longer to adapt, and you're demanding a lot from your tendons, especially for that springy one. But as long as you're consistently hitting maybe 10 to 20 of these per week and no more than 50 of these, to 75 of these per week, you should feel like it's attainable, and then start building 5 to 10% more reps onto that. And then, of course, there's another layer of work that we'll build in as we go. Finding a coach who is familiar with and understands progression for plyometric training and the elements that are involved is going to be a really big asset for you to have. But even doing what I've taught you today is going to have benefits, even if you only do that for the next year. Okay? So good luck getting started, and like and subscribe to my channel.